Hi guys, how are you? So in this video, I'm going to address few pain points of Amazon sellers of India. So if you are already selling on Amazon India, then you already know how hard and time consuming it is to find products and the product research method and the whole product research process in India is. And even sometimes it takes around 1 to 2 days, even more, to find the perfect product to launch. And the sellers, those who are already selling on Amazon India, they already know how much valuable their time is, and also they know how much valuable a perfect product that sells quite good, and how much value a perfect product is, and how much sales can a perfect product that you have selected through a perfect method can give you. So in total, it takes a lot of days to finally find the product that you think that it is perfect to launch. Now you may say that, yeah, it is perfectly fine, and product research should take a few days time because it is the most important thing in the whole Amazon FBA business. And let's say you have found a product, and then tracking the product's daily sales through the 999 method and add to cart method, it is simply chaos. And with more and more sellers putting quantity limit to their products, and it's now became very hard to even track their sales, and almost 50% of the products in Amazon India, you can't track their sales due to this quantity limit. And I have already tried Jungle Scout and ANZ Scout, and still I needed some more tools to actually validate my product that I am going to sell. Well, I was actually approached by a software tool company to actually try their product for 2 months, and they also told me if I like the software and its uses, then I can recommend it to others. So I was a little hesitating as it was a little expensive tool. But obviously, if you find a product in literally 5 to 10 minutes and then validate the product if you're going to sell it or not in next 30 minutes, and track the product sale in literally few seconds, then you can literally be so much profitable with that product because you just launched in so much less time. And then you would be so profitable that those product research tools cost wouldn't matter that much to you. So after trying this software tool, it literally brought my product research and validation process from 5 days to literally in 1 hour, as it also provides you your keyword volumes, like the keyword search volume. And I will show you what it is actually in the later part of this video. And you can literally know exactly for which keywords your competitor is actually ranking for in the first page. And it also tells exactly for which keywords your competitor is getting sales and ranking for in the first page. And you can target exactly those keywords in your PPC. And you can also validate how your competition is and whether you should launch the product in this market or not. I know it is a little confusing about those search volumes and sales, those things, but when I show you exactly how I use this tool and how I exactly do my keyword research thing with the search volume in order to know how the competition is and what keywords to target in order to launch and get ranked on the first page, you will exactly understand what I'm talking about. And also, if you buy this software tool using my link and coupon code, you will get 50% off during your first month. So you can try it out on discounted price for the first month, and later it's on you whether you're going to try it or not. So let's jump to my computer and show you.
So here is the Helium 10 tool. Now what I will do is I will just use its product research tool, that is the black box. And there are two kinds of methods here. As you can see, your product method, keywords method, and a lot of method, but mainly what I use is your product method and keywords method. So let's now first do through the product method. Now here you can set few criteria like category. So let's do the category for car and motorbike for right now, and the revenue, I don't want the revenue right now. Let's set the price, your minimum price to be 799 and the review count maximum set at, let's set at 1500. Yeah, I know the number, and I can compete with a product that has 1500 reviews, but only when the competitors that are below that are already making sales with lesser amount of reviews like 100, 200. Now review rating, I do not take care anything to that. Sales over years, price change, sales change, best seller period, number of sellers. So the next thing I do is I set that to be around your 3000 for cars and motorbike, and your monthly sales minimum set at 200. Then I do not have any other thing. Variation count I do at maximum your 3. I don't want to launch in that particular market where there is a lot of your variations that might consume a lot of budget for me. Then I'll hit search, and now here you see it gives me a lot of results. Now we'll validate this. Okay. So now obviously this is your helmets, which is a very saturated market where we cannot enter. Now, auto furnish anti-slippery cat foot mats. This again clothing type of thing which I do not preferably like. Now this is a good type of product like your PVC bed mattress with two pillow. It is a little bulky product, but that is why I can launch this, because a majority of the sellers will think this is bulky product and they won't launch it. So here, if you see, the monthly revenue is around 3.5 lakhs with a monthly sale 206. Uh, so let's open this up. Uh, we'll see that for later. This is kind of product I want. Then, then the next product. Let's look. Now you see how faster we are coming across these products. No, I personally don't like this type of products, which is preferably made for a particular type of your car or something like that. Now, this type of product, I am seeing a lot of this product coming across us. Maybe you can try sourcing this product from India. You can do this. So I will also open this up. Uh, Now here you see it is a kind of a good product. See, it is looks like not a big brand. It's a private label product. The price is also not that high. Your sales are great. Your revenue is also good. BSR is kind of within our range. You can also open this up, and now this is also a very bulky product, but this is a great product as I am looking at the sales and the price and the revenue. Now, obviously, we'll look at its competitors, but for the first impression, it looks really nice to me. The main thing happens when you scroll to the fourth, fifth pages. Then you've tried, you came across some great products. Now here you see this type of product, another variation of this product we have already selected, and that was also giving a great amount of sales. Now here you see auto geek auto detailing bus 6 feet. Your weight is less. It looks like a product that can be shipped by your sea by your ear, and the sales are very impressive. And the BSR is also good. The reviews you can see it's very less reviews which we can compete. And if we differentiate this product with a bundle, we can definitely get this amount of sales, or even take over this product. Now, if I was going to do, if I would go and do my traditional method of going in the search result and then doing it, then it would take a lot, decades to find this type of products. Now, I remember I found this product during with my product research method, normal product research method, and it took me around 3 hours to finally came up with this type of product, this actual result. Now here you see the monthly sale is suggesting is 1570, which is a great number. The review count is not that high. I can easily compete with it, especially in cars and motorbikes. There's a lot of things that you can do bundle with. So it is a great product. Now again, this type of product is coming at our. This seems to be a great product, and we have seen a lot of this, and it is selling quite good also. The reviews is not that high if you go and see other competitors, because they can be selling quite high with lesser number of reviews. So I do not prefer looking at the reviews which for the main top competitor. If there are other products below that are selling quite good. Now let's go for the fourth page. Now, if you look at this product, this is a very good product, and your now the products we are coming across is not a very your very cool type of product. The products are very boring, which is a good indicator for you to launch. So the revenue is great from a single product. So and the reviews that wouldn't matter because the rating you see it's so much less. Let's open this up also. Now you can play up with your prices and your BSRs to find more products. Now you see, with simple methods and simple few filters, I have came across so many products, so many products. Now if you go and check the sales of this product, you see so much amount of sale, and even if it tells you the exact your BSRs, your review velocity, dimensions, weights, and exact size tier in which it is in, and I can check that. And even it gives you the your sales graph, how much it is selling and whether it is a trendy product or not. So this spike is because it was the period when this product was launched, and then so you see this product seemed to have demand starting from your mainly from your August, that is. So this product is selling from August and not beyond that. That is August 2020 this year. And previously, the previous months, it was not selling that good. So that could be something that you should look for. And this is also a great product. Now, I think this type of product can be made in India, and which can be a good option for you. This is a great product if you go and sale, check the sales. This is also now this type of products are so unique if you go and see. And let's check the sales of this product. It says 610 per month with a revenue of 4,97,000, close to 5 lakh revenue from a single product, which is great. This product also this is a bulky product, but you have so much bundling options that you can easily beat the competition. This also we have again came up with the same type of product that we have researched earlier. Now, one thing that is great about this Helium 10 is we can find differentiation ideas without even going and reading all the reviews. We can simply click here and read the reviews from here and do the necessary modifications if we need. Now let's find. Now, if I was intending to, if I went and try to find this type of products in by my traditional method, then it would take around 5 to 6 hours to even come up with this 5 to 6 products that we have selected, and all was selling quite good. So it literally took 5 to 10 minutes of my time to find so many product opportunities. Now, if you are a big seller, then you know exactly what that time costs. Now, let's do another method, that is the keyword method, which is a great method, and you can eventually target big keywords and target those keywords and launch your products on those keywords. Now, for that, the minimum search volume I prefer is around your 400, because 300 is generally considered as one sale, one day or two, one day or other day. A monthly revenue, I do not set it, and price, let's do 799. Review count, your maximum, let's set it to 1500. Review rating, and the word count I will do is 3. So I will target big keywords here, your long-term keywords here, and I will target long tail keywords here. Now the categories, let's do it your computer and accessories, electronics. Now this is a category which almost maximum of the sellers avoid when they are starting. Now the variation count will be remain same 3, and the monthly sale will be your 300. Let's do it 200. BSR maximum, your minimum BSR will be, maximum BSR will be 3000. Let's do it 5000, since we are doing for your electronics. It has a good demand. And your competing products for that particular keyword, I like to be minimum at 2. so that I could know that that keyword has some demand, because minimum two companies are competing for that keyword. And that's it. I do not change anything else, and I do search. Now, what happens here is you find keywords that are selling quite good. Actually, that means from which keywords the product is getting sales. Now, it doesn't mean it is actually suggesting showing products here. It shows the keyword. Then you can see the products by going to the keywords. Let's change the category. It is showing us all the your electronic stuff. Let's try to go for babies and baby products, which mainly maximum sellers would target instead of electronics. Here you see this is kind of a good thing. Good your view it on Amazon. Let's do that. Play gym for babies. Here you see you finding a lot of high demand keywords, like those keywords that are actually giving so much sales. Play mat for babies, foam mat for kids. Here you see the sales are so much high. So let's open that. Here you see this is a unique type of product that you can launch, and we found that through this method, keyword method, and the rank is also quite good. This is a small product, not that high, bulky product, and this product can be easily made in India also. Again, this product also here you see. Now this is a product that I did a case study on in my YouTube channel, and this product actually sells quite high, and there is a quite demand of this type of product. And I searched that product in our product research series, which took me around a lot of hours to do, around 2 hours to do that and find this product. And then now we found this product in literally 5 minutes. This is also a kind of great product. Here you see the VSR 222. And this market I wouldn't enter because of the reviews. Almost all of the computers have good reviews, but this type of product can be entered. This type of product, I have to check the sales. But in baby products, 2000 in 2000 VSR sales wouldn't be that high. You have to check, but it is actually showing this product for this product results for this product. Now this is good market to enter. You see the reviews are not that great, and there is a good potential to launch in this market. The reviews, this is not very high review, especially considering the price point. So you see, in so much lesser time, we found so much opportunities here. So this is how you can use this tool to find products for yourself also. And there is a lot of filters that you can use to find products.
So the tool I showed you right now is considered as the most powerful product research tool in Amazon US marketplace. And if you're trying to run a long-term Amazon FBA business, then the only tool that you should consider is this tool. So you can use my coupon code and the link below to get a 50% off in your first month. So I will catch up with you guys in the next video.